This is my dad.
Ciao.
So today I am gonna be asking him a few questions and doing his face routine.
Well, let's do this.
So the first question I'm gonna ask my dad is, do you have a skincare routine?
I do not. I just wash my face in the shower.
That's not enough. Is your skin oily, dry, or a combination?
It is just skin. But if I had to choose, I would say it's a combination.
So, do you find yourself getting acne or pimples?
Once in a while.
Once in a while, okay. In the tea tree line. So first we have, in the tea tree line is the facial wash, the toner, and the glow serum. So let's get started. These products are infused with tea tree oil. The reason why we use tea tree oil is because it's antibacterial and it helps fight against acne. So when my dad has a breakout, it's mainly on his forehead, so that's why I was kind of focusing on his forehead. So the reason why we were using the steam is to open his pores up and to cleanse the skin. So Dad, how did the steam feel on your face?
Felt pretty good. It was relaxing.
So I'm gonna clean his beard. You can't have a dirty beard with a clean face. So I'm now gonna use a spin brush to help exfoliate the dead skin. So I just realized that I should have had my dad pull his hair back somehow because I'm starting to catch his hair. So for our deep pore treatment, I am now going to use a Sweetness clay mask. As this clay mask dries, it absorbs excess oil and dirt. So Dad, how did the mask feel when it was drying on your face?
It was cold at first, but then it became soothing. Plus, it had a really great smell to it.
So I am now going to gently wash off the clay mask. So now I'm going to use this toner, which is infused with tea tree oil. We're going to use it to get off anything we may have missed. We are now going to hydrate his face with a Sweetness hydrating mist. Now it's time to add moisture back into the skin with a Sweetness facial moisture. The last thing to do now is to use this tea tree glow serum. I'm now going to use this face sponge to soak up any extra serum. So Dad, how was your first facial spa experience?
Nice. I liked it. Calming.
Okay Dad, so at the end of every video that I do, I always do a positive message. Since you are our special guest, what do you want to say?
Be you and don't let nobody else influence you in any type of way.
So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, smack the bell. Bye!
Bye! Like, subscribe, hit the bell.
Well, that's where you heard it, folks. I don't even know what to say.
You heard it here, folks!